Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Yes, welcome to Indoda Ikhali on the Midday Connection. It is the sound of KZN and we talk about izinto ke eziqondana namadoda njalo ngolesibili asihambe ke sodwa sihamba ke mental health practitioner yethu ne cultural historian uNdabe Miyeza. Sikubingelele Ndabe, uyaphila baba?
Khayana ngibingelele kakhulu kuSonic. Ngibingelele abalaleli be Gagasi FM. How are you, brotherhood?
We're doing very well. Thank you so much for asking.
Now I'm wholly sinless and egoless, Mkhayan.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Today sikhuluma indaba yama trauma that expresses itself ngama diseases emadodeni. This is a very interesting conversation that we have. And maybe mhlawumbe siqale ngokuthi sichaze ukuthi ke when we say trauma iyaz expressa ngokugula. Siqonda ukuthini lapho Ndabe?
Okay, let's look at it this way, Kai. Emotions can lead to physical symptoms in men that don't speak, that don't share their pain, that don't access intervention. I'm saying to you, indoda now, it's time that indoda learns to cry. And ukhala sisuke singasho inyembezi literally, but nazo ziyadingeka uku-access therapy for the purpose of healing. So if you look at this,
Sure, go for it, Bob.
If you look at these physical symptoms, they can exacerbate a condition which affects the body's stress response. We call that psychosomatic responses, or sometimes Sonic somatization. Let me break it down further. While emotions don't directly cause illness like flu, chronic stress, what we know is that the compromise of umzimba wako compromise wama emotion. One, it leads to digestive problems, high blood pressure, weakened immune system, headaches, nokuqwasha insomnia. There's been a lot of emotional and nervous system dysregulation over a long period of time. Accumulating trauma and pain where the body gives in, because don't forget, brothers, your body keeps scores.
Ngabe indaba edala leyo nto ukuthi uma you going through pain, you suffering, ukufihle unga open up ngakho khona uzothola ukusizeka.
Amadoda, they need to trust for them to come out and express. They need somebody they can trust. They need somebody who's not going to take advantage of their vulnerabilities. Unfortunately, in our society, our society, we've never established safe space around which men can share their pain. And men conferences, they don't encourage or teach men to seek help. Instead, I condemn abantu besilisa, minimize their pain and trivialize their trauma.
But Ndabe, mina umbuzo wami olandela umusho njalo kunama outs who do have safe spaces, who do have therapy access, but ekhandeni lakho ukufakile ukuthi ngeke ngisoze nje mina ngiye ku therapy, kodwa uyambona uma ekhuluma uhethe nje lo muntu une childhood trauma, unama deep woundedness, kuningi nje. Sithini kuloyo muntu olalele njengamanje?
Simple. The answer is simple. Uzoshona. And uzoshona ngakafika isikhathi sakhe. Simple. Sonic, that person is going to die. We are living in an age where there is accessibility to therapy. Okay, I can give an example in a practice Sonic. It took almost 11 years in my therapy for men to start feeling comfortable to come through. And amadoda mese fikile with therapy akhalo kwangempela in the true sense of the word. And then you begin to realize. Then came a powerful show in Indoda Ikhali. Amadoda asefike sekuyakhaleka, but how then do we access? Where do we go? Since where do we go? I think it's sikuleyo transition with Sonic where inyembe seziyaphuma, but men are now looking for safe spaces.
Definitely men are looking for safe spaces and they need safe spaces, and one of the safe spaces abahlezi bebalekela kuyona, and we invite amajita amanye ezikhona la kwiGagasi FM on Indoda Ekhali with Midday Connection nabafana bahle. Hlezi phela nobamntu besinavigate sesilekelela ngokwempilo ukuthi sikwazi ukudila nezinkinga.
Indoda Ekhali on the Midday Connection.
Bafethu mina ngine confession, and the reason why I say a confession le obviously leads to my next question for wena Ndabe. Izolo leave work and I go actually out yami ebiyenza ispani over the weekend and ngwazange uyibona, so bekuyi catch up, you know, and one of ama outs abehleli lapha yana vethu ushinto ebhlungu kanjani wathi hayi imama ngeke ngiyalidedela salikhulumela mathi hayi vethu ayehlisa vethu umoya khuluma nemama yabo, and ngeke ngathola umzuzu ngakhuluma naye eceleni ubhuti wachaza ukuthi ngeke ukhathele liyamshaya yabona alenzi kahle endlini when it comes to ama chores as expected by women, you know, yena ubuye espanini later zopheka, you know, all of these things that, and this guy uyambona uyahetha mina. My next question engifuna ukuyibuza Ndabe, which I feel nami I let brother down because ngithe mina hayi baba buyela make it work. How much of a role thina ke sisoya society or around la majita lawa who come out eswaphinsela in these situations singabanikeze advice right, yona idlala iphi indima ekuthena umuntu athule afele ngaphakathi izimbulale lephena ifilayo?
Had people hurt others, you understand that? Had people hurt others, this is what goes on here. Labantu who claim to be normal are responsible for the death of vulnerable people because they don't give them intentional and valuable advice. They actually push them into pain so that they can manipulate and control them. You know, Sonic, one of the most painful things is physical symptoms that are not explained by a medical condition can sometimes be what we call these somatic symptoms. And they are related to emotional disorder, to dementia, to cardiovascular disorders, to colic disorders, and in some worse situation, to suicide ideation. Umuntu azacabanga ukuyibulala. Ngamanye amazwi imicabango ebuhlungu oyigcine ngaphakathi kwena ihamba umzimba ungabusakwazi ukuyithwala bese igcina isisifo esiphysical esibonakalayo.
Ndabe mina
akasenze example futhi quick one. Khaya uma uthatha imali zabantu ungazikhokhi, you are destroying your future, you block your blessings, and uba susceptible to migraine headaches. But very few people are able to connect the dots.
Hayi Ndabe awasikhokhela ama promoter nawanendaba.
Thatha imali zabantu ungabakhokheli. We call it a loan disorder or loan wound. A loan wound is very devastating. Khaya ngeke uzuhlangane nomuntu who's doing well ongakhokheli imali zabantu. At face value they do that, but labantu basuffer insomnia, they have chronic inflammation, bavuvukalelwa inyawo. Ngeke inyawo zakho umulala engavuvukali bukweleta abantu imali zabo ungabakhokheli over what that has been genuinely done.
Mina nje Ndabe ngiyazazi mingi under stress ne umzimba wami manifest ukuthi ngikhishwe isisu. Like
really
like mengithwa ngine stress ngempela ngivethana ngikhishwe isisu lokho abnormal. So la ngisuke ngibona ukuthi okay umzimba wami ke uyangitshena manje ukuthi lento ithwele kahle isiyakusinda, you know, so ngiyagulisa manje lento, so ngiyayibona lento okhuluma ngayo namhlanje, and I guess ukuthi my question is what steps should we take? Yabo masubona ukuthi hey ngiyabona lama physical symptoms mengidlule into enezithize ezidala ukuthi umzimba wami ubehave ngendlela ethile abnormal. What steps can I take to begin to correct mhlambe ke those stress traumas, or if it's a past trauma or insecurity, you know what I mean, ungathemba umuntu zonke ngicina ungalala ebusuku.
first you seek medical evaluation. Again, evaluation. Seek medical evaluation. One thing I like with GP amanje nodokotela abaningi abasasaba ukurefer kuma psychologist. I get a lot of references from doctors. Then message try and get a therapist. That is where you then talk to a professional, a mental health professional that can help you understand and manage the connection between your emotions and physical health. Ngaleyo ndlela uzosizakala. Mkhayana, how many young men, 20 years, 23, 18 today, who are suffering with the erectile dysfunction? It's shocking ukubona umfana ono 18 erectile dysfunction. Emusuthi uyambheka inkinga yini une stress. Low self-esteem, suicide ideation, uyazenyeza, utamantombazana wamfuni, because the young man has created a false world that he wants to live into. But leyonto isine impact empilweni yakhe.
Sure.
Asifake wena mlaleli weGagasi FM kulolu daba esikhuluma ngalo. Kuthini ukubhodla kwakho? Khuluma ndoda, sukuma ndoda, sithi ndoda le platform yakho nanginondaba ukhona. Let's hear your respond to what we're talking about, because ishubile lento ihlezi iveza itrauma.
Indoda ikhali on the Mayday Connection.
Mhlawumbe ndabe before we get ama-VNs umlaleli weGagasi FM, mhlawumbe what are the types of therapy or healing practices have you seen help amajita reconnect with their emotional being in physical health?
Okay, in most cases, this is the therapy that I use. I use the cognitive behavior therapy, where I trace to come up where what has landed you the situation, or else sonic senses somatic therapy, where I talk to you and encourage you to think deep about the situation. And it helps a lot because umuntu ugcine ekhulumile. Then amadoda ayathanda ke ukuthi uvalidate, uwachazele ukuthi nothing is going to come out of the conversation enibe now. Kwesinye isikhathi kuyafika indoda ithi ngicela nonkosikazi ungamtsheli, which is very important, because isuke isaba ukuthi unkosikazi uzolose confidence. Nendoda weak ngana ngoba iperception yamadoda ukuthi njengoba esehamba undaba ekushuthi weak.
Hey, ake size ukuthi uthini mlalelo weGagasi FM.
Sonic, sekhaya umthetho nobundabe lapho. Mina ngikhuluma la on behalf of umkhwenyana wami. Sibo separation for 14 years. So ngabuya uyephuza kodwa not that much. Basengibuyela kuyena bese worse. Manje mangisayeke imali because ngikuma therapist. Uvela nje yana khuluma indaba zakhe nabantu angabazi. Nje uyilonto nje angazi ngifane ngisize ngani ngoba manje uyaqhubeka still sesibuyelene ngibuyela emshadweni is fine yonke into yakho ngaphansi nje into yakhe ayabe right still. Yipi ngempela i-approach, yipi into efana ngimzame ngayo ukuze understand ukuthi ayinida ilokho zani i-counseling.
Sonic, ngiyacela qhawe, ngicela usisashiye inamba kabhuti ngomina ngiyacela.
Hayi bamdabe, yazi ngihlezi kuyilabantu laba abadinga usizo ngempela bathi nje bona nama-therapist abazwani.
Abadingi.
Yini ekhoza leyo nto?
The defense mechanism, his self is under siege. This is an anti-self, as developer saying, it's called the anti-self. It's a defense mechanism, as developer saying, where we experience injustice. It's very devastating. Because if you are let down by your parent, I can't trust outside the parenting.
Yo, na nyivien bafethu.
Ngibingelele Gagasini. Ugcwenza lona. Bafethu angazi ukuthi mhlambe kuyenzeka enithola ukuthi wena umuntu uma ukuthi yena umbone nenkinga uthi wena inkinga igcina isilokho nje kuwena mhlambe lakho umuntu wakho mhlambe umuntu osana naye noma umuntu oshade naye ubona ukuthi wena uyambona ukuthi unenkinga kodwa yena akayiboni ukuthi unenkinga. Kuyenzeka mhlambe leyo igcina isiwela ngakuwena ngoba mina nje angilali ukulala ebusuku mhlawumbe 3 hours usuku sowanele emva kwaloko nje uthi hayi ubuthonga bufika ibona nhlobo angazi mhlawumbe iyona yini lento ukuthi mina ngibhekela noma ngicabangela yena noma ngijani hayi angazi kodwa ngiyayizwa udaba ngiyaluzwa kahle kodwa nje nami ngisana naloko nje kuphela ukuthi hayi mina into ekuthiwa ubuthongo nje hayi no sometimes mhlawumbe sigcine sengiengage kwezinye izinto mhlawumbe lakho ama-drinking nani ngoba uma kuthi uyamkhulumisa uyambhekisa umuntu kwezinye izinto othi akafuni ukuzwa ngawe ufuna yena ukuthi yonke into ayicabangayo kube yiyona engathi i-right kuyena. Ngiyabonga.
Yo.
Sonic, it's called emotional overinvestment. Yila wena u-investor kwi-trauma nakwi-pain yomunye umuntu ugcina ususafarisha the same pain. Ngiyengibakhuza abantu abakhuzeke ukuthi musu uku-investa kwi-pain yomunye umuntu. Abantu besifazane kubona i-manifesta as a caretaker disorder. Ukuloku busy usiza abantu abakhalayo uyohlala nabo i-weekend efletini ugcina usuguliswa kwakho or usu-worse off. Umuntu uma egula mlide to therapy or counseling.
Asishaye sitocogcina hamba kanje.
Sanibonani Kakasini. So i-childhood trauma yami yakhozwa ama-actions abazali kakhulu. So manje umuntu njengoba esibuyele back nje ekhaya ngihleli nabo 24/7 inhliziyo ngiyayizwa ukudumelana nge-anger. Angazi ukuthi ngenza kanjani. I've been praying ukuthi inkosi ingisize because I don't want to be umuntu obitter, umuntu ohlezi ecwelula and all that, but still kusanzima wangempela. I don't know ukuthi ngenze kanjani.
Sweet one, usisudinga i-anger management therapy.
Okay.
Anger management therapy. Yabona ke leyo kufanele abe brave ukuthi azi ukuthi uzospenda isikhathi esiningi with therapy.
Yeah.
Because she has to go through family trauma before she can get to herself. But ke she's gonna walk back to her self-help emva kwalokho.
Hayi bafethu konakele la ngaphandle. But siloke sizamile ukuthi indoda siyilekelele siyisize right chair.
Siyikhalisa ke siyikhalisile namhlanje Sonic. Sithe ayikhululeke ikhali indoda.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Gagasi FM.